So as soon as you and I sign the contract and we're good to go and everything is done, the next step is going to be staging the home. And before staging the home, you and I are going to decide what your home is worth. Because this is the biggest thing. A lot of people are overpricing their listings, and because of that, they don't sell the home. So my job, and when I come into a listing presentation, I first of all look at the history and try to understand what your home is actually worth. So finding the price, staging your home, photography, professional video, and now the newest thing that I started doing is doing drone videos as well. So once the home is listed on the market, you should be expecting anywhere between 5 to 7 showings a week. That's how we know that we're priced correctly. If we're not getting at least 7 showings a week, we know that we're overpriced by at least 5%, so we will have to adjust accordingly. Once the showings start coming in, my job is to follow up with the agents, making sure to get as much feedback as I can, and then right away communicate this feedback to you as the home seller. My job to get you an offer as soon as possible. Now, I always do my best to get you a good offer right away. So I will do the negotiations on your behalf. But when it comes to presenting you with an offer, I will make sure that the offer is a solid offer. Either the finance condition is waived or the inspection condition is waived, that the buyers are mortgage approved so that we're not wasting our time. Should I jump to the pool?